Migrate your MSSQL workloads to AWS with BlueXP Workload Factory. Planning and executing an MSQL migration from an on-premises data center to AWS can be complex. You need to map your current on-prem configuration, plan its implementation in AWS based on industry best practices, and then execute it without errors. Let's see how BlueXP Workload Factory helps you do all these. To map your on-premises MSSQL deployment and explore various migration options, choose Explore Savings under the Databases card in BlueXP Workload Factory homepage. Choose Microsoft SQL Server on-premises. Download the assessment script and run it on the SQL Server host. The script will map your existing MSSQL deployment into a JSON results file. Now upload the file back to BlueXP Workload Factory. When done, click Explore Savings. You can now see a cost comparison between migrating your on-premises SQL servers with AWS Elastic Block Storage as the underlying storage infrastructure versus the same migration using FSx for NetApp ONTAP. Below the graphs, we can see the cost breakdown. On the left, we can see the recommended configuration of the MSSQL instances and the underlying compute and FSx for ONTAP storage. We can now save this configuration to a PDF file, view its detailed calculation, save it in Workload Factory for later, and go ahead and deploy it. In the wizard, we can fine-tune our configuration, and once we're ready, either use the auto-generated code in our preferred automation workflows, or click Create to go ahead and deploy from Workload Factory. That's it, we're done.